Okay guys, the first thing that you're gonna do is to go to your Play Store, Google Store, and I want you to write Voky for education. This is what you're going to do. Here you are. Okay, start downloading the app in your cell phone.
Now that you have downloaded your Voky on the cell phone, let's open it. And look,
all the characters that the app has. It's updated with more than 250 characters from the history too. So you can make a performance using all these characters. Even look, it looks like a Panamanian. So here you can find all the characters, even animals, they can talk. People, when you see a symbol like a coin, or it means that you have to pay if you want to use it. Only you can use the one that are not for paying. Let's select one person, example this girl, which I don't like it. So here you can find characters. Here you can put clothes to that person. You see, you can change their clothes. You can change the hat, the hair. You can change.
Also you can change the lips size here.
See? And you can change the color. The lips color, instead of black, you can put red or color, skin color. The eyes color too, green or black. The skin, the eyes and the skin color. And the hair, it can be brown, black. The background, you can change the background. The person is in a restaurant. Where do you want the person? At home. This is very useful. Blue castle. And also, let's see, you can change. You can also add.
And finally, in this section where you see a speaker, you have two options. You can write the text and the Voky will read what you have written, or you can record your voice. In this case, let me write hello, and let's reproduce this word, but you can write more text. Look, it's in English by Julie, so you can select the character.
Hello.
Hello. Or you can record your own voice here. Hello, teacher and classmates. My name is Sarah, and today I'm going to talk about the importance of taking care of our environment. Here, students, you have 60 minutes to record. No, 60 minutes, no, 60 seconds. I mean, 1 minute to record anything that you want to say to your teacher or classmates. And this is very, very useful for you and for teachers too, to enhance the students' learning. So this is what I want you to do. Record a Voky related to the importance of the environment and how to protect it. Then upload to your website.
So now let's listen what I have recorded. Remember guys, this is an assignment. So try to do your best, use this app that is amazing, and record about how can we solve the environmental problems.
Hello, teacher and classmates. My name is Sara, and today I'm going to talk about the importance of taking care of our environment. Here, students, you have 60 minutes to record. No, 60 minutes, no, 60 seconds. I mean, 1 minute to record anything that you want to say to your teacher or classmates. You select a free Voky. You can upload to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp on your
And you
cell
have
phone.
the option to download on your cell phone. So once you have this saved to the gallery, you have the option to share in your social media without any problem. So this is all for today. See you next time.
Okay, now this video has been saved to the gallery.